Before we want to mess with dropping out our leaf springs, make sure you install your Ironman 4x4 1197 brake line extension kit. If you drop it down now, you might put stress on those brake lines and your ABS wire. Don't want to do that. Do that first. Yes. This awesome kit comes with an ABS extension bracket, brake line extension bracket, two 13mm bolts with nylock nuts and washers, and for a non-limited time, this kit does not come with a 13mm socket. This one's mine. So we've got to undo these four 12mm bolts right there. You don't need a wrench because they're all encapsulated, so if you've got an impact or a ratchet, just undo them. It doesn't matter which order you take them out. So your brake lines have a little bit of flex to them, so we'll install the brake line extension bracket first. It sits up here like an A. A is for apple. Take your bolt, push it through. That goes on the back side. Take your other washer. Get your nylock nut on there. That you will need a 13mm wrench for. Take your stock bolt. Get that, fit it in there too. There we go. Get that started. Lock that guy down. Grab your wrench, grab the back side. All right, now let's get our ABS bracket installed. So the Ironman 4x4 ABS bracket has this little notch included. That fits right behind your stock bracket like that. Keeps it from wobbling around. Grab your included hardware, bolt, washer, push through the front, washer on the back side. Spin that bad boy on. All right, we'll tighten that down in a minute. Now grab your stock bolt and you can finger tight that back in there. All right, that's tight. And we'll get the top. Again, this is 12mm, these are 13. For these, all you gotta do is just flip them around, upside down, flex that up just a bit, and there you go. That was easy. Same thing on the other side. So that is pretty much it. How easy is that? It's like 6 bolts, super easy. That little Ironman 4x4 1197 brake line extension kit, really easy to install. If you can't figure this out, dude, just turn in your license. You shouldn't be driving your truck.